Biggest mistake you see founders make when preparing for an exit?
Not prepared, not knowing what it takes to actually exit, and waiting too long.
Love it. One thing buyers hate that founders don't realize kills their valuation.
Unrealistic valuation expectations. I think that's one of the biggest ones. And secondly, not looking at the company through a buyer or investor's lens.
Mm,
That's a lot of irritation stems from that.
amazing. Final question. If you could only give one piece of advice to a founder who is thinking about an exit 2 years from now, what would it be?
Create your own exit vision. So if you want to exit in the future, think about what amount would make it life-changing for you. Where does the company have to be to get to that specific valuation, and what is your post-exit plans? Because what I sometimes also see going wrong is when they start to exit, they're struggling in the post-exit life because they're financially independent. They don't need to do anything, and you don't want to get into that situation. So if you have your 2-3 years down the line, think about the life after and adjust, because this changes basically for me sometimes as well every month with what I want in the future. That's what I would, in terms of advice, what I would give.
And don't you think that advice, if you are not looking to sell, that advice is so critical for your own business, hiring, scaling.
Yeah.
Even if you decide not to scale, you prepared everything as an owner that wants to sell.